Welcome, here I've got ALLVIEW X4 Soul Style and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera, and the mirror effect is only available to the front camera, to the selfie, so we have to change it. And we can do it by tapping on this button here in the center, so high again. And from here we have to move to more advanced settings. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the right corner. And as you can see here we have the front mirror. So when we tap on this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. So this is how it works here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.